Greetings everyone. We're going to learn how to make quality GIFs using OBS and Photoshop. First things first, for this tutorial we're going to need these software programs. So to the left we have Open Broadcaster Software, also known as OBS. And to our right we will have Adobe Photoshop, also known as PS. I'm going to go ahead and maximize this. Go up here to the Settings tab at the top left. Click on Settings. And you want to click on the video selection. So for me, I chose 1920 by 1080p, and I see that these settings are correct, so I'm going to go ahead and press OK. And then now we want to create an environment of what we need to record. I'm going to switch to my other camera because I can't have two OBSs running at the same time. So for this part, I'm going to add another scene. So it's going to be here at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and click Add Scene. And then just type in whatever scene you'd like. I'm just going to put window. And we're going to add a source. So the source is right next to the scenes. And I'm going to do add window capture. And we're just going to say OK. And just choose whichever you'd like to take a photo of. So for me, I'm going to choose... Okay, so I selected my window capture to be one of the websites I made. And I'm going to click on to what I'm recording. I'm just going to full screen this. I pressed F11 on Mozilla Firefox and I realized I cannot go back. Just kidding, I can. And great. Alright, we're going to start recording. It's already recording. What am I saying? Okay, so I'm going to start recording fresh. So here we go. I clicked on it. It's recording what's ever on my screen right now. I'm going to go ahead and test this website. Look at it. Click on this. Oh, great. I love that. Let's click a video. Very nice. It's playing. And then I'm going to go test the last part. Alright. And then, great. Everything seems to be working fine. I'll press home again. Alt-Tab. And I'll stop recording that. Okay, so I'm recording back on my PC again. I'm not using the camera anymore. And since we have recorded what we want to record, of course we need to know where our video file went. So you want to go here to the top left of OBS, and then it will say Open Recordings folder. This is where all your recordings are going to be at. So this is where the file is. Press X, and we don't need to see OBS anymore. We're pretty much done with it. So good job, OBS. Alright, we'll put it to the side, and then we'll maximize Photoshop. Okay, and here we are in Photoshop. What you want to go do is go to the top left, press Import, and press Video Frames to Layers. So we have our dialog box here. You want to choose the video you want to make a GIF out of. I'm going to choose this one. And you have a dialog box here. I'm going to go ahead, select range only. This way you press the play button and you see what you want out of the GIF. Alright, so I want it right there. Then for the ending, I want it to wrap up so it's like a perfect loop in a way. I'll choose right there. And then right here, it's to limit to every 2 frames or whichever frames. I'm going to go ahead and do 20. Just because we need to see how the application is used very fast. And press OK. It's going to go ahead and make the layers. Alright, so we're going to look here to the right. It starts with layer 1 and it goes all the way to layer 70. That's a pretty good size. We see the timeline down here. If you don't see it, what you want to do is go to the top, press window, and click on timeline. Mine is checked, so this is how it looks like without the timeline. And then this is what it looks like with the timeline. You want to go down here and press the play button just to see how the GIF would look like. There we go. Nice. Looks like everything's working accordingly. Cool. I'm going to go to frame number 1. Click it. And you want to scroll all the way to the right. Hold shift and click on number 70. Or whichever your last frame is. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to right click on one of the timestamps and I'm going to choose other. Preferably I like 0.04 seconds. When you view this online at 0.02 seconds, it is very fast, and that's not good if you have limited frames. And you're gonna have to do a lot of trial and error just because what you make out of Photoshop probably doesn't collaborate well with what the browser sees. So there's these little small midget things. You can't really see it, but there's these black spots on the GIF, and I want to take them out. Okay, so let me go take them out. So image, canvas size, pixels, negative 100. You want to go negative 100. You're not adding, you're lowering the canvas size. Yes, I agree. There we go. I like where this is going. You can press File, and I'm going to click Save for Web. And right now the image size is 1920 by 980. My settings are here at the top right, so you can go ahead and pause the video if you'd like to see what settings I'm using. Right, so here we have the image, and it's at 9.15 megabytes. Perfect. GitHub only offers a hyperlink if your image or whichever you're loading is lower than 10 megabytes. So this is great. I'm going to go ahead and press the save. I'll call it Awesome GIF. Save it. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and minimize this. We don't need Photoshop right now. And here's the GIF we made. I'm going to drag it to the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. See what it looks like. Wow. Great. I like how this is going. Okay. So this is how the GIF is going to look like. And if you want to upload it to GitHub, I'll do an example. GitHub, me. And what you want to do is just click whatever repository that you have. I'll just go ahead and click this one. And then you want to go click on issues right here at the top. Click on that. And we'll make a new issue right here, the green button. And right now, here, I'll put this to the right. Where's my GIF? Where's my GIF? I'm going to go ahead and put this to the left. There we go, baby. Alright. And we're going to drag and drop the GIF onto the issue. If I can, I did it right there. Okay. So it's uploading right now. And there we go. This is in Markdown, so this is the alternate text that you can have there, but this is the GIF that you have now, and it retains its quality, which is great. So if you click on this, bam, it's still perfect. And the reason why I prefer this over the other ones like Imager, Giphy, and other stuff is because they really lower down the quality of your GIF, and that's not what we want. We want the users to experience great GIFs, quality GIFs. So this is, wow, right there, it rendered. Perfect.
And that's it for my tutorial. Thank you for watching.